In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stream on Discord. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are just going to open the Discord in your computer. And once you are here, you're going to go to the server in which you want to stream. So I'm going to stream in my this server named as tutorials. And once you are here, you're going to go to any voice channel to start streaming. So I'm going to go to this voice channel. Once you have done that, you will be able to see here some options located at the lower left side of your screen. And as you can see here, the second option you have is share your screen. This is the option to start streaming. So you're going to click on that and then you're going to select your screen. As you can see here, I have the screen of my Discord, and if I go to the screen section, I have the option to share my whole screen. But I'm going to go with the first option, is just sharing my Discord screen. Just click on that, and then if you want to make your friends to be notified about your stream, you can enable this option. Then you have the settings of your screen. If you want to go higher than 720p, you must have the subscription to the Nitro of Discord. And if you want to go lower than 30 FPS, you can definitely do that. But if you want to go higher, you must have the subscription again. And once you have just set your settings, you can then click on Go Live. Once you click on that, as you can see here that you have started streaming.